Hello student, good morning. I am start gravitation point for 11th class on the basis of IIT Advanced and Main and NEET, that is foundation classes. So category of the numbering system, this topic along to IIT Advanced and IIT Mains, that is class 11th foundation subject physics topic gravitation gravitation for book concern first DC Pandey HC Verma third USS self universal self scorer. Four Allen notes and other books which are follow on this topic. Now gravitation British on the IIT Advanced and Mains and NEETs. First IIT Advanced 3 marks. IIT Main 3 marks. That is total number 6 marks. And NEET for NEET classes, it is 4 marks. It is the numbering of this point follow IIT Advanced and Mains and NEET. That I will start on the topic gravitational. Okay. Again, I will follow DC Pandey, SC Verma, USS, Allen Notes. Gravitational point, IIT Advanced and Mains 6 marks, for NEETs 4 marks. Okay. Gravitational. Now I will start gravitation. First point, Newton's law of gravitation. This law is like as Coulomb's law in electrostatics. That is, electric charge is like as mass, electric field is like as gravitation. Statement when the applied gravitational force between two massive body is directly proportional to the product of magnitude of masses of the body and inversely proportional to square distance between them. Then this statement is called Newton's gravitational law. And the direction of applied force along to the joining line between them. Okay. Now I will again, according to this law, the applied gravitational force between two massive body is directly proportional to the product of magnitude of masses of this body and inversely proportional to the square distance between them. The direction of applied force along to the joining line between them. That is, this force is known as central force and it is also called conservative force. Okay. Suppose that M1 and M2 are the two massive body which are separate smaller distance. Then applied force F Newton between them. Suppose that M1, M2, M1, M2 are the two body and they are separate r distance. Separate r distance. R distance. The applied force F according to this law, F proportional to M1, M2. It is called first equation. F proportional to 1 upon r square. It is called second equation. The combined of these equations combining of these equations, that is F that is F proportional to M1 M2 upon R square. F is equal to plus minus G M1 M2 upon R square. First equation. Third, where plus minus, so that this force is known as mutual force or interaction force. Plus sign, so that this force is like as repulsion force. It will be impossible. Negative, so that this force is like as attraction force and which is known as gravitation force. Plus minus, so that F is mutual force. Mutual force. Force. Minus plus, so that F is repulsion force. Repulsion force. It is not possible. Minus, so that F is attraction force. Attraction force. It is known as gravitational force. Gravitation force. Okay. and capital G is called universal gravitational constant. Universal capital G is called universal gravitational constant. Universal gravitation constant, and it is also called proportional constant. Okay, that is F is equal to minus G m1 m2 upon r square. It is called fourth equation. In magnitude, in magnitude, in magnitude, in magnitude, that is F is equal to G m1 m2 upon r square, which is known as fifth equation. Okay, when m1 m2 is equal to 1 kg, r is equal to 1 meter, then F is equal to G. That is unit massive of two body are separate unit distance, then applied gravitation force is known as universal gravitational constant. Okay, again, two unit massive body are separate unit distance, and the applied gravitational force is known as universal gravitational constant. Again, this force does not depend on the medium. This force does not depend on the medium. F does not depend on the medium. This question CBSE PMT 2005 material. Force does not depend on the medium, but electrostatic force is depend on the medium. Okay. Again, first of all, unit of G. G F is equal to G m1 m2 upon r square. G is equal to F r square upon m1 m2. Okay, mm2 fr square upon m1 m2, where F force Newton meter square upon kg square. Okay, as unit of force Newton, distance meter square, mass kg square. In Newton, kg, meter, second minus 2 into meter square upon kg square. kg से kg cancel, that is kg minus 1 meter cube second minus 2. It is known as MKS system. MKS system. Okay. Again, F is equal to G m1 m2 upon r square. G is equal to Fr square upon m1 m2. F Newton meter square upon kg square. Kg is kg. Newton kg meter second minus 2 into meter square upon kg square. Kg minus 1 meter Q or second minus 3. It is known as MK system. Okay. In CGS system, in a CGS system, dyne into centimeter square upon kg square, gram square. Again, gram minus 1 centimeter 3 second minus 2. It is known as CGS system. CGS system. Dimensional formula of G. It is very important. Dimensional formula of G. Kg m minus 1 L Q T minus 2. T minus 2. Value of G, that is G is equal to 6.67 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square upon kg square. In CGS system, that is in CGS system, G is equal to 6.67 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square upon kg square. 6.67 10 to the power minus 11 into 1 Newton 10 to the power 5 dyne into 100 सेंटीमीटर का स्क्वायर that is upon kg 1000 ग्राम का स्क्वायर. 6.67 10 to the power minus 11 into 10 power 2 4 10 to power 5 into 10 to the power 4 into dyne centimeter square upon 10 to power 6 gram square. Okay. Again 549 6.67 10 to the power minus 11 plus 9 minus 6 dyne centimeter square upon gram square. That is 11 16 17 plus 9 plus minus 8, 6.67 10 to the power minus 8 dyne centimeter square upon gram square. It is known as IIT 89 question. Again, G is equal to 6.67 10 to 11 Newton meter square upon kg square. 1 Newton is equal to 1 Newton is equal to 10 power 5 dyne, because 1 Newton 1 kilogram meter second minus 2, 10 to power 3 यानी 1000 ग्राम into 100 centimeter second minus 2, that is 1 2 3 4 5 10 power 5 gram centimeter second minus 2 10 power 5 dyne a 1 Newton. Okay, 1 Newton. Okay, now I will start numerical problem on the basis of IIT Mains and Advanced and NEET. Go. First numerical problem. First 2005 numerical. First, suppose that M1 and M2 are the two massive body. Are the two massive body. I am solving IIT problem on the basis of Newton's gravitational law. Okay, first problem, first numerical problem. IIT 2005. Suppose that M1 and M2 are the two massive bodies which are separate with small r distance, and third massive body is situated small x distance from the M1 massive body, at which applied gravitational force will be 0. Then find out value of small x. Okay, again repeat. Two massive body M1 and M2, M1 and M2, and which are separate r distance. Third massive body M is situated at this point from x distance. Remaining distance r minus x. At this point f will be 0. F will be 0. Then find out the value of small x from the M1 massive body. The solution of this problem, when F will be 0, that is 2 applied force on the capital M massive body along two opposite direction. Then difference between two force will be 0. That is applied force F1 and F2 will be same magnitude. That is F F1 F2 delta F is equal to 0. F1 is equal to F2 because F1 minus F2. Applied Newton's gravitation law, we know that we know that F F is equal to G m1 m2 F is equal to G m1 m2 upon r square. We know that F is equal to G m1 m2 upon r square. We know that applied gravitational force along G m1 m2 upon r square. Suppose that F1 is equal to G m1 into m upon x square, first equation, and F2 is equal to G m2 m upon r minus x का whole square. From equation A, from equation A, first and second we get, that is F G m1 m upon x square, G m2 m upon r minus x का whole square. G m cancel, m1 upon x square is equal to m2 upon r minus x का whole square. Root, we take root on both sides, and root m1 upon x is equal to and root m2 upon r minus x. Cross multiplication method we apply on this problem. And root m1 r minus x is equal to and root m2 x. R and root m1 minus x root m1 is equal to x root m2. Minus, it will be plus on right hand side. R and root m1 is equal to x root m1 plus x root m2. X root m2. Again x root m2. x is equal to root m1 plus root m2 is equal to root m1 r. X is equal to root m1 upon root m1 plus root m2 into r. It is very most important formula and numeric problem. Now it will be start again. Suppose that m1 and m2 are the two massive body which are separate small r distance, and capital M massive body is situated x distance from the m1 massive body, at which applied gravitational force will be 0. Then find out value of small x. Point M, the applied two force F1 and F2 due to these massive body which have opposite direction but same magnitude, then difference between these force will be 0 because applied force also 0. F1, we know that F is equal to G m1 m2 upon r square. F1 G m1 m2 m upon x square. F2 G m2 m upon r minus x का whole square. These force will be same, that is G m1 m upon x square is equal to G m2 m upon r minus x का whole square. G m will be cancelled on both sides. m1 upon x square is equal to m2 upon r minus x का whole square. Under root m1 upon x is equal to under root m2 upon r minus x. Under root m1 cross multiplication, under root m1 r minus x is equal to under root m2 x. Under root r under root m1 minus x under root m1 is equal to x under root m2. R under root m1 is equal to x under root m1 plus x under root m2. X will be common, then x under root m1 plus under root m2 is equal to under root m1 r. X is equal to under root m1 upon under root m1 m2. This question will be NEET 2016. Similarly, now again second problem on this formula. Okay, on this formula दूसरी न्यूमेरिकल JEE Man 2014. JEE Man 2014. Suppose that M1, M and 4M are the two massive body which are separate small r distance. Small distance. Then other small m massive body which is separate small x distance from the m massive body. Remaining distance for r minus x. Okay. Then find out the value of small x. Similar problem. This formula will be applied. M1 M M2 4M R will be same. Then find out x is equal to root M1 upon root M1 plus root M2 into R. X is equal to root M upon root M root 4m into r. We should common under root m upon root m. 1 plus 2, 4 root 4, 2 into r. That is m से m cancel, r upon 3, x is equal to, okay. And from 4m mass body, that is distance x dash is equal to r minus x, that is r minus r upon 3, तो 3r minus r, तो 2r upon 3 हो जाए, okay. Again repeat in this question, m and 4m are the two massive body which are separate small distance, and third capital M massive body is situated x distance from the M massive body at which applied force will be 0. Similar problem on above point, m1 m, m2 4m, x is equal to apply, r will be same, under root m1 upon under root m1 plus under root m2 into r. X is equal to under root m upon under root m plus 4 root m root 4m into r, under root m cancel, 4 root 2, x is equal to r upon 3. We find out the distance from the 4m massive body, then it will be less from r. X dash is equal to, it is known as x dash is equal to r minus x, r minus r upon 3, 3r minus r upon 3, 2r upon 3, okay. Now second numerical problem, third numerical problem. CVSE PMT 9095. Suppose that a small and massive body is rotated on the r radius. Suppose that a small and massive body is rotated on the r radius with velocity v. Then find out velocity of the point, velocity of the massive body, ये r और ये r, ये m massive body, v velocity, m massive body. According to this problem, two applied force on this body which are known as centripetal force along to center, and gravitational force on this body. These forces have same magnitude. Then easily to find out velocity of mass. Suppose that F centripetal force m v square upon r, it is called centripetal force. Gravitational force F g is equal to g m into m upon distance 2r per square. F is equal to g into m square upon 4r square. second. Then these force will be same. F G is equal to F C. So M V square upon R is equal to G M square upon 4R square. M cancel, R cancel. So V is equal to 1 upon 2 root Gm upon R. Gm upon R. Okay. This problem, again repeat, a small m massive body is moved on the circular path with r radius. Then find out velocity of the massive body. According to this problem, the two forces applied on this body, which are known as centripetal force and gravitational force. These forces will be same magnitude. Fc is equal to m square upon r. Fg is equal to g m upon 2r square. Fg is equal to g m square upon 4r square. Fg is equal to Fc. M v square upon r is equal to g m square upon 4r square. R square, R cancel, m cancel. So v is equal to 1 upon 2 gm upon r square. It is very most important formula and most important numerical problem. Okay. Now fourth equation, fourth numerical problem. सुनो बंद करने के बाद उसको. Again, fourth numerical problem. Fourth numerical problem. Fourth numerical problem. CPMT MT 2008. Two identical copper spherical body which have radius capital R and they are contact to each other, then find out gravitational force is directly proportional to. Again, two identical solid spherical copper body which have radius capital R and they are contact to each other, then find out gravitational force is directly proportional to. It is very most important point. Two identical spherical body, radius capital R, then other R. Total distance 2r. Mass equal m. Then applied force by gravitational G m1 m2 upon r square. We know that suppose that m1 m2 is equal to m, r is equal to 2r, then f is equal to g into m square upon 4r square. 4r square, g upon 4r square, mass 4 upon 3 pi r cube rho का whole square. We know that mass is equal to volume into density, because density is equal to mass upon volume. Okay, तो mass spherical form 4 upon 3 volume r cube, density rho. G upon 4 r square into 4 upon 3 pi rho का whole square into r6. So F proportional to r4, because r6 upon r square, that is F proportional to r4. Okay.